Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Today is Tuesday, 22 March 2022. Let's all look at gold prices in the UAE. But before that, I would like to request you please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all the notifications on time and every time. Starting with the 1 gram price of the 24 karat gold without VAT price is 234.50 and with VAT is 246.23. For 22 karats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 220.25 and with VAT is 231.26. For 21 karats without VAT price is 210.25 and with VAT is 220.76. And for 18 karats gold, without VAT price is 180.25 and with VAT is 189.26. I hope you'll find this information useful, and if this information is useful to you, please like this video and share this information with friends so that everyone gets updated. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.